Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to get on here and just do a quick little review of the brand new Pink & Mane Mini Ergo blender brush. I am in love with the big one. So this would be our big one, the Ergonomic blender brush. I got one, and so I love it so much that I am going to slowly get more because I just love this thing. So I bought two more actually, so I've got two more, but we'll go into that a little bit more. But I did want to talk about the adorable and super practical mini Ergo blender brush. All right, so let's pull out. So this is the big one. This is how big the big one is, and it's great because when you put it into your holder, you give a little bit of space in between there. So let's say you clean your brush, which because I only had one, I had to clean it pretty frequently. But this is nice because once you clean it and it's wet, it has a little bit of a gap between there, so it helps it to dry out. So that's how that is, and it sits so nicely on your desk. It's so cute. Who doesn't want cute things on your desk? And here is the mini one. This is how it comes. Oh my gosh, yeah. I can already tell you that because I love the big one so much, I'm going to love the little one. So here we have a comparison of next to each other. This bigger one is 2 inches, so this is 2 inches in diameter, and the little one is 1 inch. That's fantastic. And so it's basically the same sort of concept, obviously, and it goes into its little holder the same, and it is just as super soft. Oh my goodness. It's so sweet. Love it. And I have lots of different kinds of brushes, but these are nice. If you are somebody that has shoulder issues, I know using a regular brush, like a little makeup brush, may not give you a lot of problems with your shoulders or your wrists or whatnot. Maybe not. But I always loved this one because it just covered the surface so well and it blended beautifully. I never had harsh lines. It just always blended out beautifully. And so I imagine this is going to be the same way as far as blending goes. So let's take a look. The only issue that I ever had, not issue, but because it's so big, you had a hard time getting smaller areas. So this was primarily made for like bigger surface area. I've said that probably 10 times in this video already, but bigger surface area. So let's pull out a stencil. This one still has some pixie spray on it. So we're going to do a background here. And this one you'll need to go side to side anyway, but this is nice because, here we'll do. Just gonna go across the surface. And depending upon how juicy your pad is, you can kind of just pop it on there, just like I was doing there, but we'll go across. So that is nice. Now the only issue it would have is trying to get, just let's say you just wanted the edges of this one. It might be a little bit more difficult to get all the edges or get just a little bit of it. See, you're going to have a little bit harder time getting just a little bit of area. But it does beautifully across big stencils and full backgrounds, which is, like I said, one of the reasons that I love this one so much. It just helps with anybody that has wrist issues or shoulder issues or anything like that, because it gets the surface area much easier. But this little guy is obviously better for much smaller parts. So let's go ahead and get him all inked up. And so look at that. Yes, I can get the edges much, much better. So if I only wanted it very concentrated just on the edges, it does a fantastic job of that. Let's put this one back on. If I can line it up, probably not, because I moved it. And then, yeah, But it's great because it picks up a great amount of ink and then it just blends. Oh my gosh. Look at how easily that blended. Because I just wanted the edge there. That worked so nicely. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to invest in these too. That's not to take away from the other brushes that I do have, because I did just invest in some other brushes that I really do like. But this is nice because you can still get that intense color, but just blended a little bit. There we go. So that background turned out pretty cool. But I do like how you can get the intense color like that. So this is great. If you love the big one, I would say the small one, you're going to love it too. And I think that Michelle mentioned that she's got something in the works as far as cleaning goes. So to clean these, you're going to use just a microfiber. I think she has some in the store, but you'll just brush back and forth. You can do it that way. I do plan to come out with a video on all the different brushes that I have and the care of the brushes and how I clean them. And so keep an eye out for that. But this is great. I love it. I may have to end up getting more. Okay, so there you have it. The new little mini Ergo blender brush. I think it's fabulous. It's basically going to come down to what you find is comfortable in your hands. If you have the bigger ergonomic blender brush and you love it, then you're going to love the smaller one too. I know there's a lot of brush options out there for you, so again, it comes down to comfort and what you find your budget can handle and what you like best. But that is my honest review. I will probably be getting a few more of these, and I already have 3 of these, so I may be getting more. We'll have to see. All right. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.